What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Smarty Pants from Toy Story. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page. You want to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the top of our circle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a smaller circle in the center of each eye for the pupils, and then we're going to fill those in black. Let's move to the bottom of the eye. We'll draw a straight line going across. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side, curve this down in the middle, and then up. Now I want to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down, and then up towards the top corner. Let's place the teeth along the top. From the left, going down and up. And then from the bottom, we'll add the tongue with a curve going up and then down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go all the way up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to go up and then in, and line it up on the right. Now from here we're going to draw a straight line going across the top of the head. Let's start on the left, going all the way across from left to right. Now I want to curve the side of the roll, starting on the left, then it's out, and then back in, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right, going out, around, and then in. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now in the center of the head there's a dotted line that goes across, so we start in between the eyes first, with two lines going across. Let's line this up on the outside. We'll add 3, and then 3 more over on the right. Now we're going to draw on the bottom. For these 2 points, draw a straight line coming all the way down to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to round out the corner, go straight across, and then round out the bottom right side. Now I'm going to split this area in half with a dotted line. Along the top half we're going to add that screen, so we're going to step down, draw a straight line. Let's round out the corner, coming down towards the bottom. Round out the bottom corner, and go straight across towards the right, and then bend that up. Now I want to trace that screen along the inside. On the left side of that screen, we're going to add that roll. From the top, let's draw an oval. Draw a smaller oval in the center and fill that in black. Now from the side of that oval, come down, and I'll round out the bottom. From this point, go straight across, and go straight up. Now I want to write the word Smarty Pants inside. So let's start on the left, just adding some block letters going across. Along the bottom half, we're going to add 3 buttons. Let's start with the one in the center. Start with a straight line. Round out the corners, coming down. Round out the bottom corners and go across. And I want to draw that same size button on either side with a gap. So we're going to start with a straight line. Round out the corners. Come down the side and then close off the bottom. Now we want to add those symbols inside these buttons. On the left one, we're going to draw the number 1. So we start on the outside. Let's go over towards the right and draw the number 2. That same block letter. Now in the middle, we're just going to add a swirl. Starting from the outside, like drawing a circle, coming back in. Now with the body complete, let's draw in that handle. For the top 2 corners, draw 2 straight lines going up. Round out that corner, go straight across towards the right, and then round out the corner coming down. Now just underneath that dotted line along the outside, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across on either side, and we'll draw the outside of the handle. So just going to round this out, go all the way up toward the top, to right about there, round out the top corner, and we're just going to work our way around towards the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Smarty Pants from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.